Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday and this week I am going to be doing a week in my life. And in case this is your first video of mine that you're seeing, my name is Veronica. I'm going to be a junior at Marquette University this fall, but currently I'm studying abroad in Rome, Italy for 5 weeks, and this is week number 2, so I'm about to head to class, but I wanted to start off the vlog here, and I thought it would be fun to give you guys a glimpse of what my week looks like living here in Italy. After my first class of the day, I ended up coming back to my apartment and having lunch and doing some work, and I'm about to leave for my second class. It's been a few hours since I talked to you guys. When I got back from class, I seriously came back to my bed, I sat down, I opened up my laptop, and I started editing a video. I am so behind on my vlogs, and so I have just been trying to catch up on that, but I'm making good progress, and it is now almost 6:30 p.m. and my roommates and I are going to make dinner because we have a kitchen in our apartment and we've been cooking a lot for ourselves. And we've made this recipe before and it is delicious, so I'm so excited. So Claire and I just finished making dinner. We have a delicious chicken and asparagus and sun-dried tomato pasta with a basil pesto sauce. Totally stole this recipe off of Pinterest, but it is really good. Well, I haven't tried it today, but we've made it before, like I said, and I'm excited. But after this, Claire and I are going to go watch the sunset on a nearby hill, and it overlooks all of Rome, so it's bound to be a good night. So it is now just past midnight and I'm finished editing that video that I was working on earlier, and I'm uploading it right now because it's 5 p.m. back home, so it's like prime time for uploading a new video. And as soon as this is up, I'm going to bed so I can wake up tomorrow morning to go back to class. Good morning, guys. I just got out of my first class of the day and stopped by a bakery and just got a little pastry just because I was feeling like it. And I'm also about to stop in like a little fruit and vegetable market because I'm trying to make a salad for myself for lunch and need some more veggies, and this place is pretty local and has some fresh stuff. So I'm out of my second class right now, and Claire and I, my roommate, have I introduced you to the vlog? Okay, this is Claire, my roommate, and we have decided to go to the National Museum of Ancient Art, right? It's free today, so we figured we'd make the trek over and check it out. Well, we just got out of the art gallery, and I don't know, what did you think, Claire? I feel like, so first of all, we thought it was going to be free, but we ended up having to pay. But I thought that was worth it. And we also got admission to another art gallery that we can go to within the next 10 days. So hopefully we're gonna be able to make that happen. Anyway, we just left. Obviously, we're walking back home now, and we might just like mosey on past the Trevi Fountain just cause our other roommate went to a cooking class tonight, so Claire and I are on our own for dinner, and I think we're gonna attempt some like tortellini. So I believe in us. Yeah, yeah, we're seasoned professionals at this point in the kitchen. Claire and I whipped up some tortellini with red sauce, so very simple, but I'm so hungry. I'm so excited to dig into this. I also feel like this is turning into some kind of like cooking vlog, just because like I'm living in my first apartment ever, so I'm cooking for myself like full meals for the first time ever. So it's a little different, but it's fun. Good morning. It is now the next day and I'm about to leave for class, but I'm just grabbing a breakfast to take to go because I didn't have enough time to sit down and eat this morning. I didn't talk to you guys last night after dinner, but pretty much the only thing that happened was that I got gelato with some friends. But anyways, today is bound to be just like a pretty standard day. We're not doing anything, don't have any major plans, but I do have an assignment that I want to finish today because it's due by Friday afternoon, but tomorrow night I'm actually leaving for a weekend trip, so I'm gonna get that done as soon as possible just so that I don't have to worry about it. And this Friday is also my birthday, so I don't want to be doing an assignment on my birthday. I don't think anybody wants that. Anyways, I'm gonna go off to class now and we'll catch up with you guys as my day moves forward from here. I just filled up my water bottle at a fountain like on the side of the road because, fun fact, the water in Rome is actually safe to drink. I'm back from my first class and just threw in the laundry because, believe it or not, it actually takes 3 hours for the washing machine to do a full cycle with one load. And so by the time I get back from my second class of the day, it should be done, but I've just kind of been camped out at our kitchen table, just doing some work before my class, and I also just made myself lunch. But I have a lot to get done today, so hopefully once I get back from my second class, I'm able to just work really fast because I have a paper to write and I want to edit and upload a video for you all. Well, it is much later now and I'm in the kitchen so I don't wake my roommates, but I wanted to update you guys before I went to bed. Since I last talked to you, I finished editing my video and my paper, and we made tacos for dinner and they were actually really good. And then afterwards I met up with some friends for drinks and dessert, and we kind of just talked about some future weekend plans, and I had a good time. But it's late now, so I'm gonna go to sleep because I have 2 more classes tomorrow, and then I am off to Croatia for my birthday weekend. It is now Thursday afternoon, and I'm pretty sure the only thing I filmed today was my breakfast, but I'm back from class and I'm packing for my weekend trip. I leave in half an hour, so I'm really pushing the limit here, but I'm about to throw a whole bunch of clothes in my backpack and just get out of here as fast as possible. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life of studying abroad. I'm going to be vlogging this weekend and it should be pretty exciting, especially because my birthday is tomorrow, which is crazy to say because I'm officially going to be in my 20s. I'm turning 20 tomorrow and I don't know who let that happen because I don't feel ready to be a 20-year-old at all, but it should be really fun, so make sure to stay tuned for that video coming up super soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!